Okay. Now what happened when we looked at some integers with x squared plus 1?
There was no pattern.
We didn't seem to see any pattern. So let's do it here. Starting with 0 goes to
2.
1 goes to...
Wait, 0?
Oh.
0 goes to 1.
Sorry. 0 goes to 1. 1 goes
1
to...
goes to 2. 2
2
goes to 9.
9. 3 goes to...
28. 65. 126. And 270.
Okay. Now we did have a problem with x squared plus 1 as we hit a bunch of prime numbers. But here we only have some numbers that don't factor so nicely right in the beginning. Otherwise all these are not prime. Well, maybe 217's 217 prime?
Well, no, it's divisible by 7.
It's divisible by 7. Okay, so none of these are prime. Alright? It's interesting this is divisible by 7.
It's 7 times 31.
Okay, so
That would be helpful.
that might be helpful. There's only one way to factor that. How about 65? There's only one way to factor
It's 5
that.
times 13. 126. That's 6 times 21.
Okay,
Might be more than one way to do that.
might be. You see any pattern emerging?
Well, these look like they can go up by 1.
Okay.
This goes up by 8 and then by 10.
Alright, so what do you think would this one be?
4 times 7. So it'd be 6. And 3 times 3. And 2 times 1. And 0 times 0.
I remember we gotta get 1.
Yeah. So 1 times 1, maybe?
What's 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do you think? Let's test our hypothesis. For 7, is that on camera? Yeah.
It should be 8 times 43.
Okay, what's 7 cubed?
It's 343.
So
344.
it's 8 times 40.
320 plus 24, 344.
How about that? So unlike x squared plus 1, it looks like x cubed minus 1 at least has a chance of factoring. It looks like there's a nice easy pattern. And it turns out it does factor. 2 had a 3, 3 had a 4, 4 had a 5, 5 had a 6. So x cubed plus 1 is going to, what's the first factor?
So x plus 1.
Yep, x plus 1, and then the non-obvious factor is x squared minus x plus 1. So for 6, for example, 36 minus 6 plus 1, 31. 5, 25 minus 5 plus 1, 21. 7, 49 minus 7 plus 1, 43. So cubes are different than squares in that there's some pretty miraculous factoring that happens. And it's different. Tomorrow though I'll show you a little bit of how this factoring works geometrically. Like here's, for example, 4 cubed minus 1. See the missing 1? So we'll see how we can understand that. Alright?
Alright.
Good job tonight.